Hello everyone. In this section, we'll dive into implementing the functionality of a Slack app using Python. First, in this lecture, we'll focus on the main code structure necessary to run a Slack app. I'll start by discussing how to retrieve your token number in this code. It's not a good idea to write your token number directly in the code for security reasons. Typically, secret information like this is managed using something called environment variables. There are various ways to set and retrieve environment variables, but here, I'll briefly introduce the .env method, which is convenient regardless of your operating system. First, create a .env file in the folder containing your code. Remember, it must start with a dot. Then, in this .env file, write down your Slack app token and Slack bot token numbers in the format we've created. Always remember to save your work by pressing Ctrl S after writing a file. Next, we'll open the terminal and install the necessary modules. After ensuring your virtual environment is properly set up, use the command pip install python-env to install the module that will load your .env file. Also, we'll proceed with the installation of the Slack bot module by using pip install Slack_bot. The environment variables in the .env file are automatically linked when you execute the load.env method of the .env module. To use these variables, you can utilize the getEnv method from the OS module, which is a module installed by default in Python, so you don't need to install the OS module separately. Then, declare the app variable based on the Slack bot token. This app will manage the permissions they stored in the Slack app setting page. Finally, to start the bot in the socket mode that we have installed, you need to import the socket mode handler. For this, you will need the Slack app token, and you can declare and start the handler as shown. You can keep using the main code structure as is for future use. In the next lecture, before we delve into the actual implementation of a Slack app, we'll look at a data structure called JSON, and we'll briefly summarize how to handle this data type.